This is Julie Callista, editor of Advanced Materials and Processes magazine, here at AeroMat 2012. We're in the ASM International Member Lounge, and we are joined by Dr. Chuck Ward of the Air Force Research Laboratory, who's going to talk to us today about the Materials Genome Initiative and its impact on the aerospace industry.
Well, thanks, Julie. Since President Obama announced the Materials Genome Initiative last year in June, Air Force has been very active, along with other federal agencies, in planning and executing the Materials Genome Initiative as the President outlined. And we feel this is really an important and critical initiative to maintain and sustain U.S. industrial-based competitiveness. We're going to be doing this through a materials innovation infrastructure creation, which is really taking advances in experimental technique along with computational methods and wrapping that around a framework that handles digital data to tie all of that together. So far we've received outstanding and overwhelming support from the aerospace community, which really isn't a surprise, as they've been championing this approach for about the past 10 years, ever since the advent of the DARPA Accelerated Insertion of Materials program in the early 2000s. Material science and engineering is at a critical crossroads right now for the aerospace community, in that we find ourselves oftentimes out of sync with the product development cycle, and that's being caused by really rapid advances in quantitative computational techniques available to the aerospace engineering community, such as computational fluid dynamics and finite element analysis, which allows companies to engineer and deliver new aerospace products very rapidly, much more quickly than material scientists and engineers can respond to the application needs. We just don't have the quantitative tools in our toolkit right now to keep pace with our engineering counterparts. So the Materials Genome Initiative is really designed to integrate the engineering tools from material science and engineering through manufacturing and design, so that we can enable a much more rapid product turnaround, much more innovation in the product, and importantly, get material science and engineering back in sync with where the rest of the engineering community is right now. And so for all those reasons, we really view this as the way material science and engineering is going in the future, and is absolutely critical to keeping the field of material science and engineering relevant within the aerospace community.
Great. Thank you so much for your time, Chuck.